Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Hobbies Week, so I thought that I would do probably the most basic idea of a video you can do for this week, and I thought that I would just share with you some of my hobbies. I actually don't have that many because, I don't know, I feel like I start hobbies, like I've had a few in the past, but then I just give up on them and I just don't do them anymore. But I thought that I would just share with you the few that I have and talk about them a little bit. So my main hobby is obviously YouTube. It's probably the hobby that I've kept for the longest amount of time. If you didn't know, I actually started doing YouTube back in 2011, kind of, I was 10 years old, which is really embarrassing. Oh, it might have been 2012. I'm pretty sure it was 2011. I've been watching it before that though, so watching YouTube was my hobby, and now creating and watching YouTube is my hobby. But I think I made one video for like a competition or something. I actually came second, which is cool. But that's on like an old channel along with quite a few other videos. I used to make them fairly regularly and upload them, but then I created this channel because I wanted to start fresh, and I've been doing this channel since July 2013, which is really cool. That was sort of when I started to really get into watching and creating, and I just really enjoy it. And then obviously in was it February or January? That's really bad, I don't know. I started this collab channel in 2014, and I'm so glad I did because I love doing it, and I think it's so cool that I've managed to make these friends through YouTube. My next hobby is reading. I love reading. I've definitely got more into it recently now that I've started buying more books. I actually have a couple of books here because I just filmed a haul. So, books. I actually used to have like a huge 2 boxes full of books, but I gave them, or I'm going to give them, I don't know if they've gone yet, to the charity shop. It was 3 huge bags full of books because they were just sort of old books that I didn't read anymore, but now I've started to buy new ones that I'm more interested in, and I just love it. I read every evening, or most evenings, and I've started reading during the day now as well because I want to sort of get through these books and enjoy them. But it always really confuses me when people say that they don't read or that they've never read a book in their life, and I'm just like, how can you not? It's just so cool. So I think people that don't read, they might call us readers nerds or geeks or something, but actually they're the ones missing out on all the fun. My next hobby is music. Obviously I enjoy listening to music. Again, it really confuses me when people say they don't listen to music that often, because I listen to music all the time. I just think it's amazing. I love it, and there's not really much to say. I'm sure a lot of you know what I mean. Also, however, really enjoy playing music. I've been playing piano for a year and a half, roughly a year and a half, nearly 2 years now. But I've had my keyboard for about 3 years. Have I had my keyboard for 3 years? 2 years. 2 years. 2 years, I think. Anyway, that's beside the point. I just really enjoy playing piano and keyboard, and also guitar most recently. I actually can't think of others. Like, I'm really bad at thinking of stuff, but I think YouTube is like my main hobby, and it takes up so much time that it's hard to have other hobbies sometimes. I've had hobbies in the past, like when I was really young I used to do dance and I loved it, and it's kind of funny. I wish I'd carried on with it. I wish I'd have done it because I think it'd be cool to be able to dance now. But I could like stretch and do all that stuff, and I can't stretch and do all that stuff now. But I actually enjoyed dance. I didn't do it for very long, but I did. And I had like 2 ballet lessons when I was younger, and then I quit because I didn't like it. My teacher had the same name as me though. And I've done horse riding in the past a couple of years ago. I did it for a while. I enjoyed that, but then again I just quit and didn't do it anymore. So I don't know. I didn't really know what else to film for this video, so hopefully this has been enough. I just don't want to ramble on and make this video really long, so I'm going to stop now. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters. And yeah, I will see you next week.